I played in the NFL for 12 years. My 13th year, I was in training camp with the Washington Redskins, got released, and I was at home. And my girlfriend at the time was challenging me to do P90X, well, it's just a crazy workout, and was challenging me to run a 10K race with her. And so this picture of health, this 37-year-old woman who had never smoked, had a little shortness of breath. She got the chest x-ray and found out she had a mass in her left lung. So 37 years old, amazing shape, and all of a sudden she has a mass in her left lung, and a few days later we got a biopsy and we confirmed that it was cancer. 37 years old, in amazing shape, lung cancer. And then the unfortunate thing is most people are diagnosed late. So 80% are diagnosed late stage, or 3 and 4, and so she was diagnosed at stage 4. It was a battle, it was a fight that hopefully she would be one of those 18% that kept on living. But unfortunately, she wasn't. So she passed a year later, December 27, 2011. But not before we were able to get married. And we were able to get married November 27, 2011. And right before that, my wife said, what if we don't get presents? What if we ask our family and friends to support the foundation? Essentially, what if we fight for other people? And that's the establishment of our Team Draft initiative that is changing the face of lung cancer. The most important thing is that we can live a healthy lifestyle. And so that means not smoking. That means lower our stress levels. That means exercise. That means diet. That means, really understanding where our community, levels of radon as a possibility for lung cancer. Those are things that we can improve. Clean air, things that we can improve. The other part is having a relationship with your body and go in and make sure you're honest, because the doc can't figure it out if you won't let them know. So if you've been having symptoms, if there is something that's going on, make sure that you're able to share that. If you see that in somebody else, don't hold your tongue if something's going on. Be willing to challenge them to go get checked out. Know that research matters. Research absolutely matters, because that's the only way we move forward. And then our goal is survivorship, but it's not just survivors that we're fighting for. So if we talk about research, it's not just about the survivors. It's really about the people that are diagnosed and all the people that are going to be diagnosed. And if we believe that anyone can get lung cancer. So my wife, 37 years old, healthy, strong, never smoked. If we believe that anyone can get it, then we understand that research is not just for those survivors. It is for everyone out there that has the possibility of getting lung cancer.